When the lights go down, I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. So today video is I did a brand Smoky. I used this palette here from Sephora. This is their palette to take away intense coffee collection. I have used it a lot, so today I just decided to like do a smoky brown eye with this as well. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button as well, and post notification bell. This will help to promote my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, gorgeous, for always be there. So that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next 20 days. Do what you love and do it. I'm going to use the pen pot as a base on. I'm going to use that on my eyelid. And I'm going to set that with a setting powder. I'm going to use that on my brow bone area. Use an eyeshadow guard.
Yeah, no, you just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw.
Take some more of that just to blend the upper side of it.
When you break it up, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
I'm using a lighter hand. I do very light hand just to blend the upper side. I'm going to go back to the brownish shade. Just pack that in.
You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the
Then I'll take this again and just blend it up.
world we're living in. Fall
And I'll pack that in.
into oblivion. Oh,
I'm going to use that to blend the upper side of it.
into oblivion.
I'm going to add mascara. So I'm going to move on to my face. I will be using my foundation. This Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I'm going in.
counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve.
So I'll be highlighting with this super size conceal and define full coverage concealer.
Now you wanna see me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw.
Then I'm going to blend that.
When you break it up, you'll see who had it all. You had it
Then I'm going to set that with a powder. The setting powder. I'll be using a black eyeliner on my waterline. So I'll take that shade and blend that out. I'm just pressing that under. Set my whole face. So I'm going to use this gold deposit from MAC to highlight my face.
Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, oblivion, oblivion.
And I'm going to use this shade here, kind of gold, on my inner tear dot. And I'm going to use this shade here as my blush.
Into oblivion.
In case when you are applying your mascara, if it's stained, you don't need to clean it immediately. Just leave it to dry. When it's dry, you remove it easily without any tash on it, without any stain on it. You guys can see I stain here now. I'll just allow it to dry. I'll leave it to dry on my face, then I'll remove it easily. This is a lip gloss from New Look. And I'm going to set my face. And that's complete my look.